Hi everyone, my name is Amanda and tonight I'm going to be showing you how to create a Google slide. So here I've already logged on to my account and I'm going to access my Google Drive from my Google bar at the top left hand corner. And to create a Google slide, I'm going to go to my new button and scroll down to where it says Google Slides. Google Slides is a presentation format. And the first thing that's going to come up is it's going to ask me to choose a theme. Now, immediately you don't have to choose one, but if you have a theme in mind, there are several that you can choose from, or you can import your own. I'm going to be very simple and go for the simple light theme for right now. Now, the first thing I would suggest is creating a title page, so renaming your page. And after that, you have the ability to add as many slides as you want with this plus button. The drop down arrow gives you different formats of different slides that you can use in your presentation. So let's say I wanted to compare the difference between cats and dogs. I have a 2-column text box slide that allows me to do so. Now here, as you see, as I'm adding my slides, the number of the slides and the order in which they appear show up on the side of my presentation screen. Now this allows me to easily, just by clicking and dragging, move the order in the sequence to which my presentation occurs. So you can create a slide and then maneuver them at different times to see which order works best. Now, my backspace and my forward space arrows allow me to undo or redo some of the actions that I've just made, as my drive is constantly and automatically saving all the changes. Now here I have the opportunity in my text box to change the font, the size, certain formatting features like bold, italics, underlined, certain alignments if I wanted to center my words, my spacing of my words, and I have the opportunity to make a bullet pointed list. Now, these features are only seen when you're clicked inside of a text box. So for example, as you can see, my font features go away once I'm out of my text box. Now, say I wanted to show the difference of cats and dogs through images. Right now, right next to the T, which is our text box feature where we can create our own text boxes, there's a picture of a little mountain. Now if I click on that, this is where I can insert any images from different places. I can upload them from my own albums, from Google Drive, from files in my computer. Taking a snapshot, if I have the URL of an image from a website, I can use that, copy and paste that in here. And you also have the ability to search through Google. So say I wanted to search for cats. Oh, this one's pretty cute. I could select it and it will insert my picture. Here I can make my picture smaller so it fits nice, and then I could do the same for dogs. Now, I also have the ability with the Insert tab to insert other things such as videos. Links will work if you're in a text box feature, word art, lines, and shapes. However, images seems to be one of the most common, so that's why it's here as an icon. Again, you have your shapes and you have your lines. Here is the ability, if you're collaborating with others, to insert comments. Hey, I think we should put this slide first compared to the other one. I think we need to add a couple more pieces of information about cats versus dogs, etc., etc. Now, you see that a few tabs come up when I'm not clicked inside of a text box. Now here, this allows you to change the color of the background, or if you want to insert an image as your background, you have that ability there as well. You also have the ability to apply a layout to a screen that you're already on. So say my title and my 2 columns wasn't really working for me, I have the ability to make it a title only. Theme is what we talked about before. This is the first screen that pops up when you initially open up a new presentation document and say, I really wasn't feeling the simple light theme anymore and I wanted to go more to a Swiss theme. I can change it, as simple as that. The last thing that I want to show you is the icon called Transitions. Transitions allows you to animate some of the slides, going between slides, and text boxes, images that are on the slide itself. So say I wanted to have this picture of the cats come in after I'd given some written information about it. So I click on my image. I want to add an animation. I want to make it fly in on the click. and then I can play it to see how it works. On my click, my image flies in. Now, once you've made your changes and you want to see how it looks, you can present full screen from the beginning or present in a new window itself. But those are the basics for creating a Google slide. Thanks a lot.